0 IPTV experience and your first channel in 9 minutes. Sounds impossible, right? I thought the same thing until I spent several days digging through dozens of providers. And I found a lot of problems. Some took the money and never sent the subscription. Others gave a trial that worked perfectly on day one, then the real server was a completely different story. So today I am cutting through all of that and showing you my top 3 picks, providers I personally tested, with real prices, no guessing, no hype. Let us get into it. Provider number 1, IPTV with box. This one surprised me. I tested it during a live football match on a Saturday night, peak hours, thousands of people streaming, and it held rock solid, not a single freeze. The plan pricing is in Canadian dollars. The 3-month plan is 48 Canadian dollars, which works out to around 34 US dollars. The 12-month plan is 78 Canadian dollars, roughly 55.5 US dollars for the full year. That is genuinely strong value for an annual commitment. The only small drawback I found is that the site is in Canadian dollars, so if you are used to paying in USD, it takes a small mental conversion. But the server quality absolutely justifies it. Provider number 2, Kemo IPTV. I tested Kemo during a basketball playoff game, and binged 2 episodes of a series right after. Smooth playback across both. Their pricing is straightforward in US dollars. The 3-month plan is $29. They also offer a 6-month plan at $36 for those who want a middle ground. One honest note, they do not currently list a 12-month plan publicly, so if you want a full year commitment upfront, check the options available at checkout. The slight drawback here is fewer long-term plan choices compared to the others. Provider number 3, Marinios IPTV. I saved Marinios for a big Champions League match, maximum pressure test, and it passed with flying colors. Pricing in US dollars, the 3-month plan is $29, and the 12-month plan is $63, which is one of the best per month rates in this comparison. The minor drawback is that their website design feels a little basic, but the server behind it is anything but. I ran all my tests through Visiona, our completely free player available at visiona.tv on the App Store and Google Play, makes setup effortless on any device. Alright, final verdict. Number 1, IPTV with box, peak hour stability that does not quit. Number 2, Kemo IPTV, clean value and smooth all-around performance. Number 3, Marinios IPTV, best 12-month rate in the group. All 3 links are in the description and the pinned comment below. See you in the next one.